Hi, my name is Seah and my 4 R's are rebuild, rethink, respect, and rebelieve. In my picture, there are the hands, roses, leaves, and rocks to make a whole image of the earth. The dying roses are to show ourselves, affecting the world and the 7 continents as our waste gets bigger and bigger. The small rocks and leaves represent that we are all a part of the earth and not just beings who live on this planet. Although we may be small, together we can create a powerful image, just like every leaf and rock influence the whole image of the earth altogether. The hands represent rebuild because by showing new growth in the hand, it can give us the opportunity to rethink our choices and start a new page in history. It also makes us re-believe that we can fix this problem and make everything better. By showing respect to the earth, we can change the earth for a cleaner and happier future. The poem completes the idea of my photo, especially this part of the poem where it says, never to bloom once more on a sunny summer day, which warns you that the roses which represent the world will be dead and will never bloom once more, which proves that once we cross the line, the earth will never turn back to the clean earth it once was. The poem alone is powerful and meaningful, which proves that we, the roses in the poem and in the photo, will suffer if we don't take action now. Thank you.
And we're not really about winning contests. That's not what we're really about. The contests are just really just a way to engage people. But we did want to acknowledge you, Seah, Kim, because you were our grand prize winner. And the reason we just wanted to share with everybody why one of the reasons was because you could tell from your entry that you understood your sense of how you're part of the regeneration. You had a really strong story, as well as the art that you created with the collage and the materials of found objects from nature, as well as your poem. So it was just a really strong submission. When the earth wins, we all win, but we did want to take a moment to really appreciate your entry. We're all winners because we're all caring about the earth, but again, congratulations, Seah Kim.
Great job.
May the
Your arms be with you.